this video, I'll show you how to blend photos in Canva using the Image Blender app. Let's get started. Open Canva and create a new project. Go to the Uploads tab and upload your photos. Drag the first image onto the canvas and adjust its size and position. Next, add the second image and layer it over the first one. Go to the Apps section. Search for Image Blender and open the app. Choose either linear or radial blend mode for your desired effect. On the canvas, adjust the blending points and reposition the images to refine the overlap. Use the slider to control the blend strength for a seamless transition. Once you're happy with the result, click Save. Finally, go to Share, download your design as a PNG, and you're done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more creative design tips. Thanks for watching.